Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope all of you are fine. I'm your English teacher and today we are going to start our second lesson of English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the material required for this lesson is lead pencil, sharpener, eraser, English textbook and a ruler. I hope that you have collected all these things and you are ready for the lesson. Now here is a recapitulation of our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have read the story of the sun and the wind. Let's recall again. एक बार सूरज और हवा के दरमियान लड़ाई हुई. Each of them claiming to be stronger than the other. इसी दौरान एक आदमी सड़क पर कोट पहने हुए आया. सूरज और हवा ने फैसला किया that the one who makes that man take off his coat shall be the stronger. पहली बारी हवा की थी. हवा बहुत तेजी से चली, लेकिन उस आदमी ने अपने कोट को बहुत मजबूती से पकड़ लिया. कुछ ही देर में हवा ने हार मान ली. When it was the sun's turn, it came out from his hiding behind the clouds and began to shine. कुछ ही देर में आदमी को पसीना आने लगा. Within no time, he took off his coat and sought relief in the shade of a tree. So dear kids, the moral lesson of this story is that gentleness is better than force. I hope that now it's clear. In our today's lesson, we will do page number 79 and 80 of your English textbook. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn and identify the meaning of difficult words, word opposites, and they will also learn ND words. So dear kids, now open page number 79 of your English textbook and write day date and today's task on the top. Also underline the day date and today's task. Your writing should be neat. Now look at the word bank. Here are the meanings of some difficult words. The first word is agreed. Agreed means razamand hona, and the synonym of agreed is said yes or approved. The second word is might. Might means taqat, and the synonym of might is strength. The third word is unbuttoned. Unbuttoned means button kholna, and the synonym of unbuttoned is opened buttons. The fourth word is take off. Take off means utarwana, and the synonym of take off is remove. The fifth word is wind. Wind means hawa, and the synonym of wind is moving air. The sixth word is harder and harder. Harder and harder means zyada taqat se, and the synonym of harder and harder is with more force. And the last word is gave up. Gave up means chhod dena, tarak kar dena, and the synonym of gave up is stopped trying. Now here are some word opposites. Dear kids, opposites are words that are related but totally different in meaning. Let's read the first word. The first word is winner. Winner means jeetne wala, and the opposite of winner is loser. The second word is first. First means pehla, and the opposite of first is last. The third word is hard. Dear kids, hard means sakt, and the opposite of hard is soft. The fourth word is hot. Hot means garam, and the opposite of hot is cold. The fifth word is tight. Tight means tongue, and the opposite of tight is loose. The last word is bright. Bright means roshan, and the opposite of bright is dull. Now open page number 80 of your English textbook and write today's task on it. Also underline the today's task. Your writing should be neat. Let's read part B. Tick the correct answers. Let's read the first statement. The sun and the wind once said, Dear kids, सूरज और हवा के दरमियान क्या हुआ था? Option A, a quiz contest. Option B, a fight. Option C, a race. Yes, the correct answer is a fight. So put a tick on a fight. Let's read the second statement. A man came down the road wearing. आदमी सड़क पर क्या पहने हुए आ रहा था? Option A, a shirt. Option B, a clock. Option C, a coat. Yes, the correct answer is a coat. So put a tick on a coat. Let's read the third statement. The wind blew. Dear kids, हवा कैसे चली थी? Option A, faster and faster. Option B, harder and harder. Option C, longer and longer. Yes, the correct answer is harder and harder. So put a tick on harder and harder. Let's read the fourth statement. After a few minutes, the man dashed his coat. Option A, took off. Option B, took out. Option C, took over. Yes, the correct answer is took off. So put a tick on took off. Okay, dear kids, let's do the next part. Write the words from the pink box in the following correct boxes. The words given in the pink box are am, then, day, then, down, very, yes. Dear kids, small boxes में हम उन letters को write करेंगे जो कि हम English copy की center two lines में write करते हैं. Upper boxes में हम उन letters को write करेंगे जो कि हम English copy की upper three lines में write करते हैं. और lower boxes में हम उन letters को write करेंगे जो कि हम English copy की lower three lines में write करते हैं. इसके अलावा हम हर वर्ड के लेटर्स भी काउंट करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर किसी वर्ड में 2 लेटर्स हैं तो हम उसे 2 बॉक्सेस में राइट करेंगे. अगर किसी वर्ड में 3 लेटर्स हैं तो हम उसे 3 बॉक्सेस में राइट करेंगे. और अगर किसी वर्ड में 4 लेटर्स हैं तो हम उसे 4 बॉक्सेस में राइट करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. डियर किड्स, लुक एट द फर्स्ट बॉक्स. In the first box, we will write very, क्योंकि very में 4 letters हैं और VER को हम center 2 lines में write करते हैं, जबकि Y को हम last 3 lines में write करते हैं. Now look at the second box. Dear kids, in the second box, we will write then, क्योंकि then में 4 letters है और TH को हम फर्स्ट 3 लाइन्स में राइट करते हैं, जबकि A और N को हम सेंटर 2 लाइन्स में राइट करते हैं. Now look at the third box. Dear kids, in the third box, we will write yes, because it has 3 letters, and we write Y in the last 3 lines and E and S in the center 2 lines. Now look at the fourth box. Dear kids, we will write down in the fourth box, because we write D in the first 3 lines and O, W and N in the center 2 lines. Now look at the fifth box. Dear kids, in the fifth box we will write M, because it has 2 letters and we write A and M in the center 2 lines. Now look at the sixth box. Dear kids, we will write they in the sixth box, because we write TH in the first 3 lines, E in the center 2 lines and Y in the last 3 lines. Now look at the last box. Dear kids, we will write then in the last box, because it has 4 letters and we write T and H in the first 3 lines and E and N in the center 2 lines. So dear kids, your next part is about reading and speaking. Read and speak after the teacher these and the words. Let's read the first line. The words given in the first line are and, bed, hand, land and sand. Let's read the second line. The words given in the second line are bend, lend, mend, rent and sent. Now look at the third line. The words given in the third line are bind, find, hind, kind and mind. Now look at the last line. The words given in the last line are bound, found, sound, pound and round. Now here is a quick review of our today's lesson. In our today's lesson, we have learned the meaning of difficult words, word opposites, and we have also learned anti-words. In our next lesson, we will discuss about the use of a and an. So dear kids, your today's task is learn the meaning of difficult words, learn word opposites and do page number 80 of your English textbook. Now here is a fun fact about English. Dear kids, do you know that the most common words in English are I and you? I hope you enjoyed our today's lesson. We will meet again. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.